guys, my name's Mila and welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be doing a voiceover just because my son was in a bath and the bath is connected to my room and it just makes a lot of noise. In this tutorial, I'm going to be doing a hot mamacita slaying on a budget look, but it's gonna be dewy. I already did a slaying on a budget, but it's matte foundation. If you guys want to check that out, go ahead and check it out after this video. And I'm pretty sure I have no announcements, only that you guys need to add my Instagram for my eyelash line. Go do that at everydaylashes_ by Mila. Let's get started with the video now. Alrighty then, so the first product I'm going to use is a cream. This one is by Pond's. It is the dry skin cream because I have dry skin and this summer is definitely not helping. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply that with my fingers, massage it throughout my whole face. For my brows, I'm going to be going in with the NYX Microbrow Pencil. I believe this shade is in chocolate, which I absolutely love. Honestly, I love this product. I love this product so much. I just love it. Anyways, I'm just creating small strokes, like hair strokes, anywhere where I feel like I'm missing hair, just adding some depth to my eyebrows, you know. I am arching my brow as well, creating the arch because I feel like I was lacking it, or I always feel like I'm lacking it. To conceal my brows, I'm going to use the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. I believe this is in shade Pale, and you look a little scary, but it's cool because we're going to blend this out. To blend this all out, I am going to be using an IT Cosmetics flat brush that I also got at Ulta, and I am just blending this out, also patting it out, that way it is nice and seamless. Going back to my face, I'm going to be using the Pixi Glowtion Day Dew. I absolutely love this. It honestly makes your skin feel super duper moisturized, but not only that, it also leaves you like a really nice glow, like a ultraviolet pinkish glow. You see that? You got that? Anyways, I'm just gonna let that primer set, so I'm gonna go back to my eyes using the Wet n Wild Mega Liner. This is honestly my go-to liquid liner. I've used plenty of them, and this is the one that I just always go back to. And I'm just pretty much creating like a simple wing liner. You can do any type of wing liner that you want to do, honestly. And then I'm going to go in with some mascara by Maybelline, just adding a little layer. Going back with the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer, I'm just going to go ahead and apply that underneath my eyes or on the bags of my eyes, even though I don't think I have any bags. And I'm just cleaning that up with the IT Cosmetics flat concealer brush that I received at Ulta, and I'm just patting it out, making sure it's nice and seamless. There's honestly no hard step to this. I'm just cleaning it up. I actually learned this from the P. Louise Live. I recommend everyone to at least take one course from them or just to watch their live because they have a lot of useful tips that can honestly help you out. It's freaking amazing. Anyways, for my eyes, I am going to be using the Nudes by Maybelline, and I'm just going to be dusting the black onto my lower lash line. I felt like it was a little naked. Also blending it onto my wing liner as well. Also grab the NYX Jumbo pencil and I just apply that onto my waterline, also blending that out with my brush, making sure everything's nice and seamless. Just want to make sure there's a lot of depth underneath there. I didn't want to look so naked. Using the same palette, I'm using Morphe R41 brush, and I am just going to apply some shimmery color onto my inner corners and also the arch of my brow. For lashes, I'm going to be using Tease. These are from my lash brand, so make sure you guys go check it out. Link will be down below. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me in Dewy foundation, pretty much applying this everywhere throughout my whole face except where I conceal, such as underneath my eyes, because I concealed that already with the Maybelline and I don't want to reapply more concealer on there. Anyways, dance break! Now going back to concealing, I'm going to conceal the bridge of my nose, top of my lip, my chin, and my forehead using the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. To contour, I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer. This one is in Toffee, and it's pretty light contour. I'm not going too heavy on the color. Just buffing that out using my Morphe E8 brush. This is honestly my holy grail cream contour brush. best thing existed ever. Also going down my neck because I always like to contour my neck. Okay, so there's a little spot that was really irritating me, and I just had to go back and fill that little itty bitty spot, and that was it. That was it. Back to my face. I'm going to go in with the Physician Formula bronzer. This thing smells so yummy, so tropical. I freaking love it. Pretty much bronzing anywhere that we contoured. For highlight or my liquid highlight, I'm using the NYX Professional Makeup Away We Glow, using this as a base for my powder highlight. I'm also going to be blending this out with a beauty blender because if you don't, it gets bumpy and it dries out quick and then it just looks a hot mess. Anyways, for my powder highlight, I'm going in with the NYX Professional Makeup Illuminator. This is in Ritualistic. I absolutely love this. I don't know why I put this down. Picking it up today made me realize I'm going to use it the rest of the week. And on my lips is the Rimmel London lipstick. I love these lipsticks. They're honestly the best things ever, and they're super inexpensive. Alright guys, so this is the end of my tutorial. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this super dewy, hot mamacita look. Slang on a budget, oh yeah. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you aren't subscribed to my channel already, this will be a perfect time to do it since it is coming to an end. Also, don't forget to be my friend on my new lash line. But yeah, now I gotta go to work, so I'll be definitely see you guys next time. Bye guys.